In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off automated invoice emails in QuickBooks Online. This feature can be handy, but there are times when you might prefer to manage invoice reminders manually or simply want to adjust how your clients receive notifications. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon that looks like a gear, which is commonly referred to as the gear icon. This is your gateway to the administration and settings of QuickBooks Online. Go ahead and click on it. After you've clicked the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Account and Settings. This is where you can configure all sorts of preferences that relate to your QuickBooks account. Selecting this option will take you to a new section where you can make changes that affect different facets of your QuickBooks functionality. Once in the Account and Settings section, direct your attention to the left side panel. Here, you'll see a number of different tabs, each offering a range of settings to explore. We're specifically interested in the tab labeled Sales. Click on the Sales tab. This area controls how sales transactions are handled and displayed, among other things. In the Sales section, you need to locate the section labeled Reminders. This is where invoice-related reminder settings are configured. Next to the Reminders section, there should be a small pencil icon, generally recognized as the universal symbol for editing options. Click on this icon. It will open up the specific settings related to invoice reminders. Now, you'll notice various toggle switches and options listed. What you're looking for is the switch labeled Automatic Invoice Reminders. You'll likely see this switch currently set to On, indicated by a particular color, like green or blue. To turn off automated invoice emails, click this switch to toggle it off. When it's in the off position, it will typically change color to gray, indicating that the function is no longer active. Finally, to make sure all your changes are saved and applied, look for a button labeled either Save or Save and Done in the lower part of the screen. Click on this button, and QuickBooks will confirm that your settings have been successfully updated. And that's it. You've successfully turned off automated invoice emails in QuickBooks Online. This should give you more control over how and when your clients receive invoice reminders, allowing for a more tailored approach to client communication. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to check out more of our tutorials to get the most out of your QuickBooks experience.